In this video, we're going to take a look at the creation of center marks and center lines in Autodesk Inventor drawings. We'll start with looking at the Center Mark tool. Here on the Annotate tab in the Symbols panel, I can find my center mark. For this one, all I need to do is just simply select a circular shape, and Autodesk Inventor will create a center point for me. Just above the Center Mark tool is the Center Line tool. This one can be used to simply click between points to create a center line. It also has some additional uses. For example, I want to add center marks to these three holes and show a center line that lines them up. I can simply select each circle, then right click and create, and as you can see, it creates a center line running through all three of them and also puts the center mark there. As we look at the longitudinal view of these holes, we can also add the center lines here as well. Right up here in the Symbols panel is my centerline bisector tool. With this one, you simply select two parallel lines, and Inventor will construct a center line midway in between them. I'll do that one more time with this hole down here. And as you can see after the fact, I can select it and click and drag the endpoints as needed to stretch out my center lines. We also have the ability to quickly create a centered pattern. I'll select my centered pattern tool here, and the status bar is telling me to first select the center of my pattern. So I'll select the center point here. Then I will click each circle that's going to be involved in the pattern. It's important that I click each one so that I can get a center mark for each one. And after I've clicked all holes, I also want to make sure I come back and click on the original one as well. Then I can right click and create, and now you can see I've got the center mark in the middle and the center pattern as well. We also have the ability to automate the centerline process as well. Here in the Symbols panel, I will choose Automated Centerlines. Then I will select a view. Then in the dialog box that appears, I will decide first of all what types of features do I want to apply center lines to. Holes, they could be fillets, they could be cylindrical features, so if I use the extrude command to create a circular shape, and if I use the revolve tool to create a circular shape as well. You can see there's also sheet metal bends and sheet metal punches here as well. So I'll select the geometry that I want to apply this to. I can also include patterns as well. And then over here on the right side, I want to decide, do I want to just show the circular shape or the longitudinal shape as well? Now in this particular view, I only have circular shapes anyways, so I'll accept that default there, then click OK. As you can see, it added in all the center marks for me. We'll automate these center lines for the right side view as well. I'm going to approach it a little differently this time. I'll select the view first, then right click, and select Automated Center Lines. I'm going to apply this to holes, and I'll go ahead and select cylindrical features just in case any extrusions were used to create the circular shapes. And I want to go ahead and include the longitudinal view. I'll go ahead and click OK, and once more you can see the addition of center lines there as well. That concludes this look at several different tools for adding center lines and center marks in Autodesk Inventor drawings.